Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So today's video is day 13 of my challenge to do 30 videos in 30 days through November in support of grassroots football. So today's video is basically my first video from Anfield Road and then progressing to see how it started 3 months ago when I first started, to where it's up to today. Okay, so it's a kind of a time lapse, but it's not a time lapse. It's just showing a progress from when I first started recording to now. And another reason for the video is that I reached 4,000 subscribers last night, which I'm really happy about. I never thought I'd reach 100 subscribers, so to get to 4,000, I'm just really chuffed with it. So I really want to push on. I want to get to 5,000 and then I want to try and get to as many as I can. Because when the Anfield Road development's finished and when Bramley Moore's finished, I've got to think of new ideas to come up with, and I need to get my subscriber base now so I can put out more stuff when these are done. I'll still carry on football stuff, photography, videos, drone footage of the grounds, but I'm going to move on to other areas as well, which I've got loads of ideas about. So I'm going to shut up now and I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video. Okay, I just wanted to really thank everyone for subscribing, for watching my videos, and all the great feedback that I get. I get loads of great feedback in the comments. Okay, I get the 0.001%. That's not great, but I've got to expect that. But yeah, once again, thank you very much. I'll see you all again tomorrow with my next video for my challenge. Look after yourselves and speak soon.